Hello Jira users. This tutorial will show how to efficiently manage your Jira dashboard, using saved filters to control multiple gadgets from a single location. In our sample, we demonstrate how to transform a custom data source into a saved filter, enabling the reuse of the same data configuration across multiple gadgets. Click on the totals displayed on the chart to access the underlying data. On the Search Issues page in Jira, save the retrieved data into a custom filter. Give the filter a descriptive name for easy reference. It's essential to share the saved filter with the relevant users, otherwise, they won't have access to it in the gadgets, even if the dashboard is already shared with them. Add another gadget to the dashboard, disable the date range, and select only the saved filter you just created. To demonstrate how multiple dashboard gadgets get updated when we edit the saved filter that controls them, we'll also apply the same filter to the first gadget on the board. Now, let's edit the saved filter that controls the gadgets and observe how the dashboard effortlessly updates. Use saved filters in the Performance Objectives app to save time, reuse data across gadgets, and control entire dashboards with one edit location. Thank you for watching.